Hello everyone. Now in the revised syllabus, CBSE has changed the list of practicals. So only 8 practicals are there. So text file, the practicals are same. You can go through the revised syllabus at the end for class 12th computer science. This is for class 12th computer science. So we will just go through the practical list so that you can complete your work in time. Now here the questions were first questions are same. So here the text file, two questions, binary files, and then the lines A to be represented. So this is also from text file. Then random question. Now here the three recursion programs we have replaced by function. So here using function, factorial of natural numbers, sum of all elements, and nth Fibonacci number. Now stack and queue they have given in the same program, so we have written it separately. The stack one is separate and the queue one is separate. Then they have given after that 10 phishing emails. So this one you can just keep it after queue. Now they have not added the CSV file, so we have added a CSV file for the modules or functions. So here two functions, two for modules we have given the questions, and the last four questions they have written to join connect MySQL with Python, that is connectivity program. So here to display one program will be there to connect and display the records, then next is to search, then the next one is to update, and the last one is to delete. Then MySQL, as last year you have done, same way MySQL programs you have written. So 20 programs are there. Now already you have started, so how you will write it you already know that the aim will be your question, logic you will write it in short, and then the programs for function we are using def. Now here you can see, now these are your programs which we are going to do now. So here how to do it, like the first program was read a text file line by line and display each word separated by a hash. Already in a separate video this program has been discussed. So after writing the logic you will write the program, where simply you will create the file first. So in the question it is not written to create the file, but while doing practical better you create the file. So here what we have done, using append we have created the file. After that we are reading the file, and we have used here read line dot split. So you can each word you are taking after reading the line, and then you are splitting by hash. So this is our first program. The output also is given here. Now the second program was to display number of vowels, consonants, uppercase, lowercase in a file. So here we will use a for loop, and we will check the character. If it is a vowel, it is a consonant, if it is uppercase, if it is lowercase. So here counter we have used, and the output will be in this format. Now the third program is a binary file. So all these we have already done in separate videos. So you can go through the videos for practical, list of practical. Now this is your third practical, in which a binary file is there with name and roll number, and we are searching for a given roll number. If roll number not found, then it will display the message. So we have created the file. So here you can see, using import pickle dictionary method we have stored in a dictionary, and then after loading it, now here to search which record you want to search, that you will ask the user to enter, and you are searching, and simply you are displaying. Clear? Now there is a second method to solve this question, menu driven. That was without menu driven, the previous one. The second method is using a function def you are writing in the file, then def display you are displaying the whole file. Then search will be, you will take the roll number and you will search for the roll number, and you will display that searched value. So this is a menu driven program. I think this will be better, menu driven program. So like this you solve all the questions. So list I am giving in the description box, this new list of 20 programs. This list I am giving in the description box. You go through the description box, note down all the programs and start writing. If you have any doubt, then we will discuss in detail. So thank you.